Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix music no result found on Instagram. So guys, if you have this type of problem when you want to apply any music on your story or any reel, then facing this type of issue. So guys, how can you help fix it? So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to go back. And guys, after this, open your Instagram app. And guys, if you want to apply this music on your story, then you need to click on story and upload any kind of story in your Snapchat, so in your Instagram. So guys, when you click on it, and here is the tab of music, so guys you need to click here on music. And guys, after this, here you need to search any kind of music, you will find it. So guys, how can you find it? So guys, first of all, you need to update your Instagram app, because this problem is occurred due to update. So first problem is update. So guys, how can you update it? So guys, if you are using any Android phone, then you need to open your Play Store, and guys, search here Instagram. And after searching Instagram, you need to open Instagram, and it's the option of open, and then you will be able to see the option of update. So guys, you need to click on update. So guys, I have already updated my app, therefore I can't have the option of update. So guys, after updating your Instagram app, you need to go back and check that your problem is fixed or not. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, then you need to open your settings, scroll down, click on app management, and click on app list. And guys, here you need to find Instagram, and after this you need to click on Instagram. And after this you need to click on storage and cache, click on clear cache. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back, and the last method is you need to open your Instagram app, click on your main profile, click on three lines, click on settings and privacy, click on help. And guys, after this, click on report a problem, and here is the option of report a problem. And guys, click on include and continue. And guys, here you need to write your problem that you can't find any music. So guys, after writing your problem, you need to upload your screenshot of your problem in which you are facing problem. So guys, after uploading your screenshot and writing your problem, you need to click on send. And after sending your problem, within a day your problem will be fixed, and you will be able to apply any kind of music on your Instagram story or reel. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.